Hey everybody, we're doing the patriotic theme today. So you get the suspenders, you get the flag. I've had so many people stop me today and say, right on, that was great. And so anyway, there it is. So my name is Kevin Burke. There's my email address. There's my telephone number. There's all kinds of crazy credentials, and that's just in California. Coffee with Kevin tonight, bit.ly/coffee with Kevin, and the K's are uppercase, right? And 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wednesday, we do this every Wednesday. But then there's a bonus. On Friday, we're holding a successful open house, and that's going to be bit.ly/OCAR, Orange County Association of Realtors open house. Check out the uppercase, right? And that's at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'm looking forward to seeing you at both of these events starting this evening because I'd rather teach risk management than damage control. If you're not getting my emails, send me an email. I send it out one time a week. So you got to let me know if you want to be on it. Totally opt in. And there again is my contact information. I am happy to help you in any way that I can. Please, please, please feel free. Give me a holler. Thanks for now. Take care. Bye-bye.